Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a space as a favorite on ClickUp. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and you have multiple spaces, but one of the spaces you want to have easier access to. So you want to set it as a favorite. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So what you're going to do is click onto a space, next click on customize, and then from here you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down and click on add to favorites. So you could actually give this view a personal alias to easily identify it in your sidebar. So we're just going to call this browse, then click on add. Now when we toggle down our favorites, you'll see that we now have the browse channel here, which is the same space as this one here. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add a space to your favorites on ClickUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.